भारत भूमि में ऐसे महापुरुष लोग, स्वामी परमहंस श्री नित्यानंद जी महाराज जैसे महापुरुष लोग अवतरित होते हैं।
हमारा उद्देश्य, हमारा निश्चय है कि ऐसे महापुरुषों के द्वारा विश्व मात्र का कल्याण हो सकता है।
स्वामी जी इस काशी के पावन भूमि में जो आप लोगों को वो उपदेश और आदेश दे रहे हैं, ऐसा उपदेश आदेश भगवान कृष्ण अर्जुन को दिए थे।
बाबा विश्वनाथ की नगरी में नित्य आनंद प्रदान कर रहे हैं, जो कि एक धर्म की स्थापना कर रहे हैं।
महाराज जी एक साधक और सिद्ध पुरुष हैं।
ब्रह्मानंदम परम सुखदम, लेकिन इस समय नित्यानंदम परम सुखदम।
काशी में और जन जागरण के उत्थान के लिए इस प्रकार के कार्यक्रमों का आयोजन करें। मैं पुनः आभार व्यक्त करता हूँ स्वामी जी का।
I got introduced to Swamiji and Inner Awakening from my daughter Ivana. She attended here in May. She came as a one person and returned to Australia as completely another person. And her words were, "Mom, you really do need to do this. You desperately need it." So anyhow, I came in India. I came to Varanasi to reclaim my life, to reclaim my soul, and with the help of a Vedic cuisine, with the help of the Vedic meditation and yoga, and Swamiji's help at the end of the day. But I know that I came with a shoulder pain. Pain is gone. I can tell you I came with a pain in my back. Pain in the back is gone. If you have problems, any problems, if you want to reclaim your life, if you want to reclaim your soul, and I am reclaiming my soul, not my life, my soul. I'm reclaiming myself. I'm reclaiming my confidence. You know, I can walk with the head high. Do come in Varanasi. Do spare those 3 weeks and enjoy it. Swamiji, thank you so much. And time is of the essence. And not enough time, not enough essence. I really wish that this doesn't last 21 day, but a little bit longer, like maybe 6 months or more. You are absolutely loving person. Your personality, your deity is shining through you. I thoroughly enjoyed long sessions.
How will we drop our attention by rethinking we are embodiment of the love?
When you know that you are the embodiment of love, you will start loving yourself even more. So then you won't be wanting to get something from others for you to become more authentic. You won't be thinking that other people have to be loving you, then only you are someone great. You will start loving yourself so much that everyone around you will just be able to feel that you are radiating so much love. So that time they'll just come and be around you instead of you wanting them to come and be around you. Because when you are in the context of getting attention from others, that time whatever happens, they won't be liking you, they won't be like enjoying your space. But when you feel that you are the embodiment of love, that time when you start loving yourself, that time you'll be radiating a strong space of love which everyone will be attracted towards.
Like suppose there's a cup and you fill it with tea, it'll be like you loving yourself. But when you pour more and more tea, it'll just overflow completely and spread everywhere. So when you just have that, when you just know and realize that you're the embodiment of love, you'll just overflow and radiate that to everyone around you, and that will just lead to selfless love and you'll become like Swamiji.
Shiva. Shiva.
शिवोऽहम्। Welcome home to experience love current of Mahadeva. This city is just DNA of physical expression of Hinduism. From your side, nothing needs to be done other than being here. Simple truth straight away.